Hi everyone. Today I am so excited to introduce you to my new printable kit, the Halloween Rose Journal. This kit is perfect for your Halloween paper crafters out there who love the spooky season. It includes everything you need to make a beautiful and unique Halloween rose collage journal. The kit comes with a grungy background and collaged with red and black roses. Add a pop of color to your photos, or even create a fun Halloween scrapbook layout. Whether you're a seasoned crafter or just starting out, this kit is perfect for everyone. The process of creating your own Halloween rose collage journal is easy and fun. You can add your photos to the journal, arranging them in a way that makes sense to you. You can also add additional decorations, such as ribbons, bows, tags, to make your journal even more special. I have a separate kit featuring Halloween-themed vintage lace tags. They are perfect for your Halloween journal making. The final result will be very special and beautiful. The beautiful and unique Halloween rose collage journal that is perfect for you Halloween paper craft projects. You can use it to capture your favorite Halloween memories, or give it as a special gift to someone you love. So, what are you waiting for? Get your hands on the Halloween Rose Journal printable kit today and start creating your own unique and beautiful rose collage journal.